It's time. Derage time. Let's get to it.
Welcome to 2024. Welcome to D-Range. Today we're gonna do a little short video for you. Got some new merch. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all ready for some merch. I got a bunch of new stuff coming out. I've been working on trying to get it right for you. Either way, today what we're gonna do, we're gonna be shooting this EAA GiRSAN 1911. I'm gonna be testing it out. We're gonna see what kind of gun it is. Is it a good gun? Is it a bad gun? Is it the meet your maker? Is it the maker taker? So we got some good content coming for you this year. We're still lining things up, getting things going, so I figured I'd give you a small quick video for the year. Hadn't seen y'all, dealt with y'all, done anything since last year. Last video I did, I gave a gun away. So this time, let's see what we can do. We're gonna be shooting PMC bronze. This is 185 grain, jacketed hollow point, 900 feet per second. Okay, that's what we look like right there. This is the gun. This is the death. This is what kills you. This don't kill you. This kills you. Okay? So, never fired this gun before. This gun is brand new. So if you're interested in a 1911, this one here is fairly cheap for the price. You can probably get this under 500 bucks. Maybe it's pretty good. It's just me. This gun's brand new, so it needs to have some rounds go through it, but got it down. So we're already having a few issues with this gun. We're not doing anything fancy today. Like I said, we're just gonna shoot this gun. This is a EAA GiRSAN, GiRSAN 45 automatic 1911. It's the MC 1911 S XLV. And it says, warning, read the safety manual. So we're going to move over here. We're going to get right here and we're going to try to hit a couple spots. That thing's still ringing. I think we did pretty good. So, short video today. Nothing long, nothing crazy, but we've shot a few targets. I'm gonna shoot about 6 more rounds, 7 more rounds through this thing. See if it cycles better. It started getting better that time. I want y'all to see some of the recoil in this gun. All right, here we go. Watch the recoil. Feeding problem. Feeding problem. Alright, so y'all can see the recoil in that. Oh, I got a splinter in my finger. Y'all can see the recoil in that. Gun's out again. It comes with a 8-round magazine. I've been shooting 7 just to get it broke in some. 8-round magazine. This gun, it's not a bad gun. You don't understand the name? Right there on the grip. But that's pretty much all we have for you today. I'd say once this gun gets broke in, for the price this gun was, it's a pretty good gun. This gun's going in my collection unless something else changes. EAA GiRSAN 45 automatic ACP, under $500, way less than $500, under $500. Hey, I think it's held up pretty good. It comes with 1 magazine. That's all it comes with. That's pretty much it. Until the next time, I got some good things coming. Like, share, and subscribe. So, I want to thank all y'all for your support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, D-Range 411. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. If you want some merch, leave a comment. If you like any of my videos, leave a comment. Don't forget to share it with your friends. I'm going to be shooting a bunch of different guns this year. I know it's a lot of talking, but I've got a bunch of stuff lined up this year that I think you're all really going to enjoy. And I really don't think I've seen any of it on YouTube or online. Now, there may be something out there, there may be a little variation of one or the other, but I really don't see, I haven't been able to find what I'm trying to do anywhere else out there. So if you stick with me, maybe I impress you. Maybe I earn the likes and the shares and the subscriptions. Either way, until the next time, I love y'all. Peace. Inside. Matter of fact, you still don't believe me? Look. Wanted to change. All right, here we go. You can see that? Yeah, I guess you could. Let's go see. Let's take you with us. Well, I ain't gonna tell y'all. Not a whole lot of difference. Field here. Ooh. She is hot. The slide still slides. So here we go. Still fires after being shot with a .22. Come on, Big D. Got to go back. gracious, you gotta lose some weight.